Hey! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S8 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this device. Firstly, go into settings. Now scroll down, choose display and scroll down again. Then choose font size and style and now tap on font style. Over here select one of those fonts by tapping on the chosen one, like Gothic Bold. As you can see, style of my font has changed. But you can also go into font style over here, choose download fonts and download one of those ones by tapping on this icon over here next to the chosen one. Now we have to wait. And when I go back, I can see that my font style is over here. If you wish to apply it, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!